Hello, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we talk about how to drop shipping on Amazon. Now let's start. Dropshipping is a fast and easy way to set up a business in 2023. This business model allows you to sell products without having to own, package and ship items to consumers. Instead, as a dropshipper, you pass the order to a supplier, manufacturer or distributor who can fulfill it on your behalf. As like Amazon is one of the largest online marketplace in the world, it is also a well favored platform for dropshipping. With over 200 million Prime subscribers, it has such a huge reach, and dropshipping is a great way to trip into potential market. As you know, in this guide, we are going to develop into the pros and cons of Amazon dropshipping. We are also going to show you how to dropship on Amazon and turn your business venture into a profitable one. Before jumping into Amazon dropshipping, you just understand the platform policies on dropshipping to avoid suspension. For instance, Amazon dropshipping policies prohibit you from purchasing product from another retailer on Amazon. Your seller account can get suspended if you are violated. As here are other policies that you must know as a dropshipper on Amazon. The first one is you must identify yourself as a seller in your invoices, external packages, and packing slips. And the other one is you must be responsible for accepting and processing returns. You must comply with Amazon term of service. Once a customer orders a product, you listen on Amazon or listed it on Amazon. You purchase the product directly from the supplier by using a portion of the proceeds. You then forward the customer's information, then the supplier ships the good to the customer. At the same time, the invoices, external packages, the packing slips must not contain information indicating the supplier names or contact details. Simply as customers are not supposed to know that the items are purchased for an other company. As Amazon dropshipping comes with a range of benefits, which makes it an attractive platform for first-time entrepreneurs. There are advantages of launching on Amazon dropshipping business. Some are as follow. You know, the first one is requires less capital. It means that dropshipping is a highly accessible and economical way to start a business. Compared to traditional retail methods and e-commerce models like wholesaling, you can earn revenue without buying merchandise upfront and handling product physically. You also don't need to pick, pack, and ship orders to consumer. Now we talk about multiple product categories. Amazon has over 30 product categories. With the help of the right suppliers, you can sell in as many niches as you want. Just about selling products that belong to Amazon restricted categories, which include alcohol, power sports, and medical devices. Now, as a quick setup, you don't need to purchase and store inventory to run a dropshipping business, which makes it very convenient for new entrepreneurs. You can set up an Amazon seller account in no time. Once you found suppliers, you can start selling products. And the other one is high potential for discoverability. As one of the most popular online marketplaces in the world, Amazon has a massive customer base and a vast array of dropshipping niches. With the right product and suppliers, you have a huge potential market at your fingertips. So, now we talk about Shopify Amazon partnership. If you are a Shopify merchant, you can connect it seamlessly to Amazon and tap into its large marketplace. By linking Shopify and Amazon, you can manage orders on both platforms easily. You can also keep inventory level synced between the platform to prevent overselling. Here are some cons of Amazon dropshipping. That is, dropshipping on Amazon comes with a few disadvantages too. You might want to look into them before jumping right into this new e-commerce venture. There is a lot of competition that the competition are as you can expect from an e-commerce model with low barrier to entry. Amazon dropshipping is a highly competitive business. You have to put a lot of thought into the products that you are going to sell if you want to avoid oversaturated niches. Now is some limited product informations you must need to know that are often you or encounter seller on Amazon with limited product information. If your supplier does not communicate the right product detail, you will not be able to answer customer queries about your product. Hope you are understand of all these Amazon's markets, and now the next we are talk about in next video. Thank you.